Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's video, we will talk about how to use JetCheck teacher assistant account. When JetCheck account open, then click on login, click on instructor teacher assistant account or instructor account, that account you have. Then use your username and password. This interface will appear. Then click on upload file. From here, you will be able to upload your file for plagiarism and AI checking. The detailed report of plagiarism you will see here, and only the AI detection percentage will be appear here. Then write file title. You can write anything, then click on file slots. From here you will be able to choose no repository. All slots are no repository, but you can exclude references or exclude course materials. Then click on submit file. Uploading will take little time according to your internet speed and the file length. Once your file will be uploaded, then a new interface will appear. From that interface, you will be able to view your file, download your file, or to see your percentage of AI detection and plagiarism. When you click this title of your uploaded file, this interface will appear. The plagiarism is 3% and the AI detection is 3.8 something. From here you can click on view or download to view or download your file. Once you click on view, the file will be viewed. When you click on view, you have to wait for a little time, then automatically your file will be viewed here like a PDF file. You can see your file is uploaded and checked. It shows the same plagiarism as the plagiarism shown by Turnitin, because this is also based on Turnitin. Here the setting you have chosen during uploading your file, the settings also appear here. Now let's click on back to see more options of JetCheck teacher assistant account. Let's click on upload file. Here, from here we have uploaded our file, and now let's AI check. From here you have to select your file which you are want to check AI detection report. When you select it, then click on upload file. It will also take a little time according to your file uploaded. So here you can see the AI written content is highlighted. Then click on print. In JetCheck account you are able to print your AI detection report like plagiarism report. Sometime the highlighted will not appear. Look here, it is appear, but if there is not appear, then go and click on more setting and background graphics, select that one. When you select that one, the file place where it's written by AI, it will be highlighted. And the upper one, which is header and footers, when you mark that one, it here above here the date and AI JetCheck will appear, and if you unmark it, it will disappear. Then you can click on save. You can save this file as a PDF, or you can directly print it. So now here I am just saving it. Internet in this facility is unavailable, and internet in based JetCheck it's available. You can save your AI reports, you can print AI reports. Now let's see setting of your JetCheck account. In setting you will be able to see your enrollment date and expiry date. You can change your first name, last name, or you can change your password. You can change them from here. There's two them, white and black them. And from here you can update your profile, you can update your setting, and you can log out. Thanks for watching.